sort of sporadically encounter this discipline when I try to decipher why a musician and a non-musician would have the same emotional attributes when they hear, let's say, a sus4 or sus2. This is no longer cross-disciplinary. This is discussing music independently, how to build chords, how to play polyrhythm, syncopation, how to play fingerstyle. So I have a fundamental understanding of both fields simultaneously. Now, physics and music are mutually exclusive, you know. But once you're dealing with the sound of music, you go in and dwell into the collision of bare molecules.
So you're unshakeable, lecturing on...
I also got into an area. This is rhythmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So when you hear A chord, primarily is 440 hertz. That is the number of wave phenomena. You know, I kind of wanted to know, well, okay, well, you can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface, but you have to follow different laws. So I became infatuated with and this is what gives you the reference. It has to do with diagonal and horizontal lines. Diagonal and horizontal lines are used primarily on a two-dimensional surface to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that